Angular classes for the first view. Slide number 1. Preparation steps to first run DM04 web app. Set up default constructor of litDB context as it is shown on the slide. Set up connection strings in the web.config as it is shown on the slide. DB migration is not used for this demo app. Instead, the following code have been executed in the small console application to create database on the SQL Server. The code is shown on the slide. Slide number 2. To generate Angular classes for the first view. Run Visual Studio and open dmlit solution. Create 2 folders in the app folder. Components lit genre view. Services lit genre view. Right-click SRC App Components lit genre view folder. And select Add JavaScript Wizard menu item to open the wizard dialog. Slide number 3. Note: on the first page of the dialog the destination folder is shown. The destination folder is the folder in which the generated file will be saved. Click Next button. Slide number 4. On the second page of the dialog the developer should select existing DB context file. Select DM02 context, that is a project. LitDB context, that is a context. Click Next button. Slide number 5. On the third page of the dialog the developer should select the view. Select Lit Genre View. In the left panel select UI List Properties node and check shown for both genre ID and genre name. Slide number 6. In the left panel of the same page of the dialog select UI Form Properties node and check shown for both properties, genre ID and genre name. Set input type as it is shown on the slide. Click Next button. Slide number 7. On the fourth page click Batch Processing button. Batch Actions dialog will be shown. Select 01100 Interfaces JSON. Click Start button. Close both dialogs. Slide number 8. Right-click SRC App Services lit genre view folder. And select Add JavaScript Wizard menu item to open the wizard dialog. Repeat all the steps until the Batch Actions dialog box appears. Note: the developer should not define again UI List Properties, UI Form Properties. All settings were saved during the first batch. Slide number 9. In Batch Actions dialog, select 01400 Web API Service.json. Click Start button. Close both dialogs. Slide number 10. Right-click SRC App Components lit Genre View folder. And select Add/JavaScript Wizard menu item to open the Wizard dialog. Repeat all the steps until the Batch Actions dialog box appears. Note: the developer should not define again. UI List Properties. UI Form Properties. All settings were saved during the first batch. Slide number 11. In Batch Actions dialog, select 01420sform.json. Click Start button. Select 01500eform.json. Click Start button. Select 01600lform.json. Click Start button. Close both dialogs. Slide number 12. Temporary add lit genre view L module in the imports section of the app module.ts. In appcomponent.html temporary add the following HTML. Applet genre view form / In app global settings service.ts set the correct URL of get web API prefix method. With the Visual Studio 2019 run web API app, that is a server side, and with Visual Studio Code run lib app, that is client side. Slide number 13. Note number 1. S form is a search form for the given view. E form is an edit form for the given view. L form is a wrapper for the two forms above. Note number 2. S form and E form are the basic forms with all the user interface logic for the given view. Other forms are wrappers for these two.